How to use a Skilsaw is the name of this video. Here we have a Ryobi Skilsaw, battery pack, cordless, and all you do is hold in one of these buttons. Well, it's one button that slides left and right, either way, left or right, and then squeeze the trigger. There you go. And I got a piece of wood to cut here, 2x4. Just an old piece of lumber. So what I'm going to do is just cut this. Got a line already marked out where I'm going to cut it at. So basically just line it up on the 0 scale here, and you just cut all the way across like this. Just make sure you use, probably should do it from this side instead of hitting that groove here. It's about 6 inches. Make sure you use, for wood, probably recommend using gloves and also a dust mask for the shooting debris, and also eye goggles like these here. And you can clamp the wood, preferably to a table, but it depends on the type of wood, how awkward it is for you. I mean, you can also hold it like this, put all your pressure on this end, assuming you got a solid table, and just cut like that. But if you feel more comfortable, you can get clamps. Like these, and just clamp them to the wood for stability. If you don't feel like you have the strength to hold the wood. These are clamps you can just buy at Home Depot or Lowe's or Amazon. Since I have the clamps, might as well use them. If you don't have clamps, I mean, they're still acceptable. If you have a long enough piece of wood, you can hold it right here for stability. I'm using gloves. This wood is full of splinters, so I don't want to get splinters, so I'm going to use some gloves. So now that I have the wood tied down, I can just, I don't even need to hold the wood anymore, but you know, just for stability's sake, for my sake. You're supposed to use both hands on the saw like this, but it's sometimes it's not as comfortable. Sometimes I'll switch off to just one hand. So here we go. Oh, I don't need to make a line. I should make a line to make sure it's straight. Where I'm going to be cutting it. It's probably right around here. Straight-ish. That wasn't really straight. It's just a piece of wood for a sander, for sanding block. So this is where I'm going to be cutting, right here. And you don't want to have the blade into the wood. You want to have it away from the wood and start cutting. Which I'm going to do. Just like that, folks. Here's my cut. Lean with it.